See children, I taught already ionic or electrovalent bond, and I gave an example sodium chloride NaCl. See here Na transfers its electron pair to chlorine. So Na is the least electronegative element when compared to chlorine. So in electrovalent bond or an ionic bond, from the least electronegative element, an electron can transfer to the more electronegative element. So for potassium chloride, KCl, potassium having atomic number 19, chlorine atomic number 17. So here for potassium, electronic configuration, organ configuration 4s1. Here chlorine 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Neon configuration 3s2, 3p5. So here this 4s1 electron transport to here. So this is the least electronegative. This is the more electronegative. After transferring electron, K becomes K plus. Cl becomes Cl minus. So the K plus, since from K plus an electron is removed, that energy required is 418.81 kilojoule. That is called ionization energy. Ionization energy means energy required to remove an electron from the outermost shell. That is the valence shell. So from potassium, one electron is removed. Since this is the least electronegative element. Now chlorine getting that electron. So energy released for this one is, for chlorine, 348.56 kilojoule minus. Since it is released, it is getting a negative sign. 348.56 kilojoule. So chlorine getting that electron and becomes a negative sign. That is called electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. Electron gain enthalpy means energy required to gain an electron. So chlorine is gaining that electron, potassium is losing that electron. So the sum of these two energies, potassium 418.81 kilojoule, chlorine 348.56 kilojoule, add the both, we are getting the energy is 70.25 kilojoule, positive value. However, during the formation of 1 mole of potassium chloride from its ions, 718 kilojoule energy is released. 718 kilojoule energy is released. This favors the formation of KCl and it stabilizes. Likewise, children, I have shown two examples, NaCl as well as KCl. Based upon this, you can now write one more example, evaluate, given in a book. Ionic bond formation in MgO and CaF2. The same model you can write and see. MgO for magnesium, oxygen, both, which is having more transferring, then gaining. Mg is transferring, oxygen is gaining. So in between the both, an ionic bond is formed. That is electrovalent bond is similarly calcium fluoride, calcium difluoride, CaF2. Here also among Ca and F2, Ca is the least electronegative atom. So it transfers its electron to this one. So both forming a positive and negative ions. This both can be, both you write and send to my personal number, this question. Similarly, the Lewis dot structure, which is given in page number 72. Lewis nitrous acid, Lewis structures for nitrous acid, phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid means formula H3PO4. Write for this. Sulfur tracks, write for this. Send to my personal numbers.